Sponsored by Chartered Financial Strategies. You are now watching Tax Bytes.
All right, welcome to another episode of Tax Bytes. I'm Sean Monahan with Chartered Financial Strategies, and what today's topic is again that always political hot button is who pays their fair share. Fair share is always a subjective number, but I'm going to tell you who pays what percent of tax. And we're going to go to what's becoming a bit of a common thing is the statistics of income published by the Internal Revenue Service. Again, you can go to their website and find it. It is cryptic to find, but where I got this information. I did massage it a bit because they'll give you, the numbers of returns, and I've kind of gone over to further over here, and I think it's over here somewhere. I got numbers of returns, tax, and so forth, and I kind of basically created some different columns here to kind of give a cumulative uh, population. So as we move from one income range to another, we add those returns to the next to get to a total population of tax returns as we move up. So we have 10 million and more, 5 million to 10 million, a roughly income bracket, 2 million to 5, all the way. I'm going to concentrate on the roughly the 100,000 to 200,000 and up in income. And kind of what you're seeing here is this is, the $10 million tax return is less than a percent. It's like 1/100th of a percent. That's going to be the two combined is right at 3.03% or 3/100ths of a percent, which means we're not even getting to 1% of the tax returns till right around half a million and up. Those half a million and up is about 1% of the total tax returns filed, which is 1% of taxpayers. And the cumulative tax paid by that 1% is right around 39%, 39% of the total taxes paid. That's pretty significant. So as we move forward, we go into the 200,000 and up is 5% of the cumulative returns paid and 60% of the total taxes paid. And then you go 18% and 81%. So, and from year to year, this does change a little bit, but it's roughly going to be, 60, 70, 80% of the taxes are paid by around 20% of the population. The upper, though, and rich is even going 200,000 in adjusted gross income, which is really not rich by modern standards. So anyway, so the point I'm making is that when we start talking about, oh, we need to tax the rich, we need to tax others, they're paying 80%. That group, that income group, is paying 80% of the taxes. Um, when you go beneath that, you're really going to start creeping down in small, small increments to get to how much is paid. So this is not a politically wonderful thing to hear, I know that, but it is the facts. So when you're hearing we need to tax this group more, that group more, there really is a large amount of tax already paid above that when you start moving that six-figure income level. Something to know, something to be aware of. That's, you can take it for how you see it, but it is the facts, and it's worthy of at least presenting on this channel. So this is just the tax buy for the day. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something at least, and have a good day.